a monumental leap forward for military aviation, the United States has unveiled its most advanced combat aircraft to date, the F-47, a sixth-generation strike and fighter jet that redefines what air superiority means in the modern age. Designed under the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, commonly referred to as NGAD, the F-47 is the result of years of top-secret development, cutting-edge research, and a vision for future air combat that relies on a fusion of stealth, speed, artificial intelligence, and unmatched versatility. Unlike anything seen before, the F-47 represents a quantum leap from its predecessor, the F-22 Raptor. While the F-22 dominated the skies for decades with its superior stealth and maneuverability, the F-47 builds on that legacy with an expanded suite of technologies that make it not just a jet, but a fully integrated combat system. The F-47 was designed with a digital-first approach. That means the aircraft was engineered and tested virtually using advanced computer simulations before a single physical part was manufactured. This allowed engineers to iterate designs rapidly, cutting down development time while ensuring the aircraft performs flawlessly in real-world combat scenarios. At first glance, the F-47 resembles a sleek, futuristic spacecraft more than a traditional fighter. Its sharp, angular design and blended body wings contribute to a stealth profile that is nearly invisible to radar. The aircraft is built using advanced composite materials that absorb radar waves while also being incredibly lightweight and durable. These design choices significantly reduce its radar cross-section, giving the F-47 the ability to penetrate deep into enemy territory without being detected. What sets the F-47 apart most, however, is its ability to operate in a networked, multi-domain battlefield environment. The jet doesn't just fly solo, it acts as a command hub in the sky, connecting with satellites, drones, ground forces, and naval assets in real time. Through advanced data links and artificial intelligence, the F-47 can share targeting data, relay battlefield information, and even control drone wingmen, also known as loyal wingmen, which are unmanned aerial vehicles designed to fly in formation with the main aircraft. These drone companions can take on high-risk tasks such as scouting enemy positions or engaging hostile targets, reducing the risk to human pilots. Inside the cockpit, the pilot is no longer just a flyer but more of a mission commander. Thanks to augmented reality helmets and AI-driven decision support systems, pilots receive a constant stream of information, threat assessments, flight data, targeting information, and more, all displayed seamlessly within their field of view. This allows them to make lightning-fast decisions in the heat of combat. The F-47 also boasts fully autonomous capabilities, meaning it can fly missions without human input when necessary, using advanced algorithms to navigate, detect threats, and engage enemies. In terms of power, the F-47 is propelled by next-generation adaptive engines that can shift configurations in real time for optimal performance. These engines not only provide immense thrust but also adjust airflow and fuel efficiency based on the mission profile, whether it's high-speed interception, long-range strikes, or close air support. This makes the jet extremely flexible and capable of operating in diverse combat environments. Another highlight of the F-47 is its weapons system. It can carry a wide range of munitions, both internally and externally, from air-to-air missiles to precision-guided bombs. But what's even more groundbreaking is its ability to deploy directed energy weapons, or lasers, to intercept incoming missiles or disable enemy electronics mid-flight. This marks a major shift in aerial warfare, where traditional kinetic weapons are now being supplemented by energy-based systems for defense and offense alike. Perhaps the most futuristic aspect of the F-47 is its stealth communications. In today's battlefield, being silent is as important as being fast or strong. The F-47 uses low probability of intercept communications, meaning it can transmit data without being detected by enemy systems. It can also operate in electronic warfare conditions, jamming enemy radars and communication channels while maintaining its own link to friendly forces. Despite all these advancements, the F-47 is also designed to be surprisingly cost-effective over its life cycle. Thanks to modular components and digital maintenance tools, repairs and upgrades can be conducted faster and at a lower cost than previous generations. The aircraft's open architecture software system also allows for regular updates, meaning it can evolve with changing threats without requiring a complete redesign. The reveal of the F-47 sends a clear message to adversaries. The United States is not just keeping up with future threats, it's staying several steps ahead. With rival nations accelerating their own fighter programs, particularly in China and Russia, the F-47 stands as a symbol of American innovation, deterrence, and air dominance. For the public, this jet is more than just a marvel of engineering, it's a testament to what's possible when ambition meets technology. For the military, it's a game changer that will define air combat strategies for decades. Whether flying solo missions deep into enemy territory, commanding drone squadrons, or integrating with space-based systems, the F-47 is not just the fighter of the future, it's the fighter of now. As more details emerge and the aircraft enters full production, the world will be watching closely, knowing that the future of warfare just took flight.